Today in this class, we'll try to understand how to draw the lamina resting on one of its edges on HP. All type of lamina, starting from triangle to square, hexagon, and pentagon. We know that when we come to the orthographic projection of the lamina, we use only first quadrant. In the first quadrant, we feel we are above the XY line and HP will be below the XY line. Now we have to draw the top view. To start the solution of the orthographic projection of the lamina, we have to start the top view in such a way that, because in our syllabus we have a lamina resting on HP and one of it the surface is inclined to HP and one of its edges inclined to VP. This is the condition where we are going to solve the different type of problems in our syllabus. So when the lamina rests on HP and surface inclined to HP, first to start the solution of the orthographic projection of the lamina, we have to adopt a technique called change of position method. In change of position method, first we will change the position and keep the surface parallel to HP so that in the top view we get the true shape. Because we should get the true shape. With help of the true shape only we are able to get the apparent shape. So first we have to start with the true shape. To get the true shape, we have to keep the surface parallel to HP in the first position. This is called change of position method. This is a technique of called change of position method. So when the one of its edges, when the lamina rests on one of its edges on HP means you have to write the true shape of the lamina such that the one of its edge come to your left side top view. You have to write the top view such that one of the edge of the lamina come to your left side. That's the assumption we follow. We can keep it left or right, but in this solution, in this entire semester, we have decided we will keep it on the left side. Okay, we will follow the same thing. We will keep the edge on the left side. So let us construct a triangle. Let us construct a triangle of 30 mm. Click on the drawing sheet. This is the starting point of the triangle. Then go to the keyboard. Type 30 in the keyboard. Press enter key. First angle is 0. Enter key. Press enter key. Next 30 is the length. Second angle, external angle is 120 degree for the triangle. Next press enter key and press 30 mm length in the length column. Where angle is 120 degree into 2. Press enter key in the keyboard. We got a triangle, constructed the triangle. This we know how to construct a triangle using external angle. Now select it and rotate it. Copy of, click on the apex of the triangle, click on the base of the triangle, center of the base of the triangle. It should come to your left side. Rotate it by 90 degrees, or you can observe that horizontal symbol. Click here. So it's resting on this edge AB. So edge AB should come to your left side. Whenever lamina is resting on the edge should come to your left side. Similarly, we'll go to rectangle command here for four-sided lamina. That is rectangle. With using rectangle command, you can construct rectangle or square both. What the difference between rectangle and the square? Square will have height and width of the same dimension. So let me take width as 40 mm. Press enter key. It goes to height also 40 mm. Press enter key. It asks you the angle 0 degree. Enter. You have to keep angle 0 degree only. So we will get a square lamina resting on one of its edges AB. So edge AB should come to your left side. This is the standard practice we are adopting here. Next, we'll go to pentagon. We know, click here. This is the starting point of the pentagon. 30 mm is the length of the side of the pentagon. First angle is 0 degree. Any lamina, we should start with the horizontal line. Okay. Then 30 mm is the length. Angle, external angle 72 degree. Press enter key. Then it asks you again angle 30 mm. Enter key. It asks you the angle 72 into 2. Hold shift key and press 8 to get the into symbol there. Hold shift and 8, press 8, you will get the into symbol there, 72 into 2. Then again length is 30, press enter key, it asks for angle 72 into 3 now. Similarly, 30 mm is the length change, keep on change, constant, keeps constant, only angle will be changing, 72 into 4. So we got a constructed the pentagon. Now select the pentagon, go to rotate command, switch off the copy. Blue color means switch off, copy is off now. Now click on the apex of the pentagon, click on the center of the base of the pentagon, rotate like this so that edge come to your left side, and it should be horizontal. You can see the horizontal symbol there. Moment you get the horizontal symbol, left click on the mouse, it is done. Now go to move command, keep it properly, proper distance like this. Now go to smart dimension, show the dimension of this pentagon. Go to text command. What is this? This is A, this is B. Resting on the edge AB, which should always fly to your left side. Next, go to hexagon, construct hexagon, right command, click here. So 30 is the length, first angle is 0, always start with the horizontal length, so angle is 0. Next 30 is the length, angle is 120 degree. Next 30 is the length, sorry, there's a mistake. This is not 120 degree, angle, external angle for hexagon is 60 degree. So click here, 30 is the length, angle is 60 degree, press enter key, then 30 is the length, angle is 120 into 2. To get into symbol, hold shift and press 8, you will get into symbol 60 into 2. 60 into 2, then 30 mm is the length, then angle is 60 into 3, 30 mm is the length, angle is 60 into 4, then angle is 30, length is 60 into 5. Like this, you have to construct, you can construct a hexagon. Now, to resting on the edge means one of the edge should come to your left side. For that, go to select tool, draw the rectangular fence around the hexagon, go to rotate command here. Within the move command, we have the rotate here, switch off the copy, click on this corner of the hexagon, click on the other corner of the hexagon, rotate it by 90 degree. You can get this 90 degree symbol, then move, keep it here, so the length 30 mm, which is resting on the edge AB should come to your left side. Okay, this is how we can construct 4 types of lamina resting on one of its edges. Edge should come to your left side, resting on one of its edges. Now we'll go to top view when the lamina rests on one of its corners. Instead of edge, it's resting on the corner. Now we have to write the top view such that corner comes to your left side. Let me start with the triangle. 30 mm or 40 mm is the length of the triangle. First angle 0, then 40 and 120 degree the external angle for triangle. Next 40 is the length. Next angle is 120 into 2. So you got a triangle. Go to select tool, draw the rectangular fence around it. Go to rotate command, switch off the copy. Copy is already off. Blue color means copy is off. Click on the apex of the triangle. Click on the center of the base of the triangle. Rotate it like this. Corner should come to your left side. Then go to move command. Keep it in the correct place. Then this is resting on the corner A. Resting on the corner A. And size of the pentagon is 40. Now go to line again. Instead of going to construct hexagon, to construct a square, let us use this command, rectangle command in the vertical toolbar. Click here. It asks you the width. I type width as 40 mm. Press enter key. It asks you height now. Press, type 40 and press enter key. Now angle. You have to give angle 45 degree to get to resting on the corner. A square line resting on the corner, we have to give angle 45 degree. Press enter key, you will get it. This is a square lamina resting on the corner A. So if you want the square lamina resting on the edge, angle is 0. If you want a square lamina resting on the corner, angle we have to give 45 degree. Now we'll construct a pentagon. Go to line command. Click here. Let me construct a pentagon of 30 mm. Enter type key 30 in the keyboard. Press enter key. It asks you angle. First angle is 0 because we have to construct any polygon starting from the horizontal line. Next, length is 30. First angle, external angle for the pentagon is 72 degree. Next, type 30 degree in the keyboard. Press enter key. It asks you angle. Next, second angle is 72 into 2. Press enter key in the keyboard. Then length is 30. Enter. Press the enter key. Then angle is 72 into 3. Type in and press the enter key. Don't use the mouse now during this time. Length is 30. I'm just keying the values in the keyboard. I'm not using the mouse. 30 and 72 into 4. So you got it. Now go to select tool. Select it. Select the pentagon and rotate it. Switch off the copy. Rotate it in such a way that this is the center of rotation. This is the point rotate in this direction because we want the corner to come to our left side. This thing on the corner. Keep it close here. This is the corner A and length of this is this one. Now we'll go to hexagon. Go to hexagon line command. Type this is the starting point of the line. Then leave the mouse. Just key in the values now till you get the hexagon. Now type 30 mm as the length of the side of the hexagon. First angle is 0. Press enter key. Next is ask you the angle line length again 30 mm. Press enter key. It asks you the angle. External angle for hexagon is 60 degree. Enter 60 degree. Then again length is 30 mm. Press enter key. Again second angle is 60 into 2. 60 into 2. Then 30 mm is the length. Angle is 60 into 3 now. And press enter key in the keyboard. Type length is 30 constant. And angle keeps on changing. 60 into 4. Then 30 is the length. Angle is 60 into 5. Okay. Resting on the corner. Here you don't need to rotate the hexagon because already corner has come to your left side. Just keep it as it is. Here you don't need to rotate. For the hexagon, resting on the corner, it comes resting on the corner itself. So you don't need to rotate. This is how we can construct a hexagonal lamina resting on the edge or resting on the corner.